Results you help people get and the more stories you get to share, it's going to create more confidence in you in what it is that you're teaching. And that naturally comes out and people are drawn to that. For example, would you ever be drawn to a doctor if you go to a doctor and say, "Hey doc, my knee hurts," and the doctor, he just doesn't have confidence in what he's sharing with you? Like, he's like, "Well, that might work. I don't know if that, well, we could try this." Or what if you went to a doctor and she was supremely confident? She said, "You got this knee problem? Here's exactly what you need to do. And if you follow these steps, you'll get this result. The knee will get better." Like, when you've got a doctor who's got confidence like that and you follow her advice, well, you're much more likely going to follow her advice, right? And the same is true for you. When it comes to teaching whatever you're teaching or sharing whatever you're sharing or helping people get whatever kind of progress, when you approach it with more confidence, then people are drawn to that like a magnet. But where does confidence come from? It comes from helping people get a result. That's how you establish trust, and that is how you establish your authority in your market. Because the more people you help get a result, the more it establishes you as the authority in your market. And the more people you help get a result, the more trust you create. And people will continue to come back to you again and again and again. Whatever market you're in, no matter where you are on your journey, the best thing that you can do is just to help people get a result. And results come in big wins, they also come in the little wins. But help people make progress. Help them get a result. Because when you do, now you've got a story. And with that story, when you start sharing that story, it's going to help you start generating a heck of a lot more sales.